I will start this one with this preset. Let's say file, new, and choose this preset. Then hitting play, you can see these presets contain a different text with different animation and different movement. You can just double click and add your own text. Let's say I will double click, add tutorial, let's double click, delete this one, and let's type in 17, hit OK, and just play button to move to the next frame. Next frame you have double click, just add your own text, let's say demo, and press OK, hit play button, you will see the other shape, the other frame. You can move along and just create your own by double click and press your own text. You just double click, text your own, and press OK. Then after play button it moves to the next frame, next animation. This preset allow you different animation and different movement are very ready set made. You can just double click and add your modification, change the font, change the color, change the gradient at the background. You can choose different background from this panel. Let's say I will drag this, press OK. Let's hit play button. You can see the movement you have added. You can see the color you choose. You can see the animation of the text you've added, the value of the animation. Let's decrease it, let's say to 42, add in a new keyframe, then you saved. I will move back a little. Let's say second number 5, I will add a new value, let's say the value of 1. Let's add a new keyframe. It will move according to the value I would set at second number 6 and second number 7 or second number 6. I will double click on this one to select it. I will decrease the value of the animation and hit and add in a new keyframe. Just add a new keyframe to the add and movement, but remember to add a new value and try to choose text effect and a value. Only value will not affect the text. Just select a type of the animation and scroll down to animate. I will change the reflection, add a reflection for this one. You can add a new fade, a new distance if you want to add a reflection for this shape. According to the font you will see and not seeing the animation according to the camera depth. So you may not see the fade and animation according to the presets of the video itself. Let's say I will hit play and move to the next frame. Let's say I will move to this point. Let's say I will choose different shape. I will press this S. It will appear different shape presets which I will choose from them. It will give me a different presets for different shape. You can double click and press OK and just grab it with the mouse so you can draw it. You move it and scale it, make your own adjustment for the color. Let's say I will change the color for this one and let's give it a design for this shape. Some shape have different design. You can double click and add a text inside of it. Let's say I will give it 17. I need to increase the size to be able to see it. Let's say increase the size. It's inside of it. You can't see it because it's small. So I need to increase its size from this panel. Let's say I will increase it to 600. So you can see it now. You can double click, add a text inside of any shape from the presets on the left side. Also this panel allow you to add some different modification on the background. Let's say I give it some particles of the snow particles. You can hit play button and see the movement of the particles at each point of the camera movement. This preset give a camera movement. That's all. Save it.